So let's talk now about overcentering. This is a very important notion. This is the vertical distance between the straight line passing through the middle of the hammer center pin and the straight line passing through the middle of the hammerhead boring or drilling. You can see on this picture, this is more clear than what I am saying. You can see these two lines there. They're the 3 millimeters. This is between these two lines. This one, the one at the top, goes in the middle of the boring, and the other line goes through the middle of the center pin. So basically, this is a way to reduce or to increase the bored length. This overcentering affects the vertical angle of boring and the angle of the shank at the start of the movement and at strike. This is important to know because for the same blow distance, depending on this overcentering, you will change the hammer shank angle. So of course you understand that it changed the boring length and also the height of the let-off buttons. Also the drop screws, they are designed to be at an average height when the overcentering is between 0 and 3 millimeters on modern piano action. This is very important to know because I'm sure you noticed already that sometimes you are doing a regulation and you don't understand why, but for some reason the let-off screws, the drop screws are not at the right position, at an average position, and you try to understand why, but your regulation is fine. The problem comes from the overcentering, probably the overcentering. Also the spread, but we will talk about that a bit later. And yeah, this is very important to know. If your overcentering is very even, you will get very good average height on the drop screws and the let-off button.